I wanted to kind of sit down and speak to you guys about a couple of things that's been on my mind of late, and I also want to discuss kind of a change situation that I've been going through the past year. Basically, give you guys a life update and also a channel update, I guess, because a lot of things are going to change in this channel, starting from the video that's coming up on Wednesday. And if you're wondering what changed, well, you know what, I'm no longer working there, so I might as well speak about it. The past 1 year I worked in the art of living. Now please don't go at me, don't ask me if I think Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is better than Sadhguru or if Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is a fraud. I'm not here to speak about him, that's his battle, you can go to him. But the whole time I was there, I made a lot of different kind of friends. I also did a bit of soul searching, you know. Lucky for me, I didn't have to take a massive break from my life. I didn't have to uproot my life completely or go to a completely different country to find myself. I did it on my job, but yeah, I learned to meditate there. I learned to be a bit more mindful. I learned to be kind of kind to myself, to be more passionate about the things that I believe in, and I also met a lot of foreigners. Now, this obviously should not matter at all, but you know, it kind of gave me a different perspective. They look at life a different way because their upbringing is different as compared to ours, and then they were here in the ashram to kind of learn from our roots what it is that made the lives of our ancestors more enriching, and that kind of was a wake-up call for me. I kind of realized the modern society, the world where we live, the advertising, the media, they're all steering us a certain way. We're all like so prone to buying things off sale. We are all so prone to buying duplicates, and we've also somewhere become more materialistic in terms of our happiness and what should guide our judgment. And these are all little things that have kind of affected me, impacted me, and changed the way I have been thinking. And it took a lot of jostling in my head, but I'm kind of happy that it happened. The change was a welcome change. A bunch of you guys have been asking me like, why am I not saying hello everybody? Where is my excitement level? What's going on? It's just that of late I'm realizing that when I started this channel, the way I used to say hello everybody, it's so juvenile. I was still in my 20s or mid-20s, and that's okay. It kind of resonated with me back then, but I kind of feel it's super juvenile at the moment. In fact, I'm considering removing the whole term entirely from my videos because I did have a drastic weight loss. I always say that mine is a weight loss and fitness channel. I kind of get why everyone thinks that, but that's not all me, you know. There is so much more to me than just my weight loss. Don't worry, I'm not gonna completely stop making food videos or health videos. I kind of want to do videos that are more holistic. It took me a while to realize that as well. If it does not matter what kind of a health concern you're going through, if you first focus on eating right and living a healthy lifestyle, then it kind of shows in your health as well. And because now I want to make videos about being more mindful, not only towards you, towards your environment. I want to make videos on building healthy relationships, not just with yourself but with your family, maybe with friends, with food, with exercise. I want to talk about things that helped me get over my struggles in terms of anxiety, depression, and starting over. Like I said, I went away twice from YouTube, and both the times were really tough, struggling times for me, and to get over them and to start afresh, that's something I have not spoken about, and I would absolutely love to speak about it. Some lifestyle tips that would help you guys, not just in terms of like how to look, how to get ready every day, or how to head to office, but in terms of how to live your life itself. What are some of the best principles to follow just to make life simpler or to give yourself a better headspace. Budgeting, journaling, habit tracking, because these are also the things I've been following quite religiously the past 6 months. The first year of my marriage with Vicky, him and I, we lived an extreme minimal life. I want to speak about that and share with you guys how it helped us and how it kind of made me question some vital decisions and impulse shopping moves that I used to do, and it kind of has changed me as a person. And I have come a long way from where I used to be. Also want to continue keeping the relaxing, calming vibe that I put into my video, not just because it helps you guys and you guys enjoy it, but while I'm editing, it does not make me anxious as long as the background track is more relaxing, calming. The entire vibe of the video is relaxing. I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm sending you so much love and positivity. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.